When you can actually see your profit for the year in dollars and cents, it gets you more in the notion of selling corn, knowing that I can lock in a $50,000 profit or whatever the profit is. You want to lock it in. If I know I can make that much profit in a year, I will be in business next year.
Good afternoon, welcome to GrainTV. My name's Cody Bills, this is Kevin McNew. Today is Monday the 24th and the grains traded lower with corn down 5 1/4 cents, soybeans down 4 1/4, and wheat in Chicago trading down 4 1/2 cents here. Kevin, what moved the market here today?
Well, you know, Cody, we had an overnight trade that was pretty negative. In particular, beans was off 10 cents, but we found instant recovery back to unchanged territory when we started trading in the morning session. I think, you know, key news that came out this morning, a nice sale to China for soybeans, a nice sale to Thailand for soy meal. That got the market kind of excited on the open. We also had some follow through thanks to export inspections, which came in on the high side of expectations. So I think all those things were sort of more signs of good demand on the soybean market. On corn and wheat and export inspections, you know, corn was on the light side of expectations, coming in below analyst expectations, while wheat was on the upside. But I really think, you know, beans is the real story right now. You know, we continue to sort of have this back and forth trade. Like I said, we were negative in the overnight trade, but returned to positive in the day session and into the day on negative territory. Where would you be if you were a farmer right now?
Well, right now I think what we're seeing here is a little bit of consolidation. We had nice little demand news coming out this morning. It seems as though we are consolidating. And for those of you that have the trading platform, either the Grain Hedge Standard 3.5 or some of the other platforms that we offer, you can actually go and take a look at the 1 hour chart, basically where each 1 hour represents, or each bar represents 1 hour of price activity. If you were to look at that, you'll notice it almost looks like in the short-term trend, we're kind of hammering out a little bit of a bottom. We consolidated all day today, and I would suspect that if we were able to break out of that range to the upside, especially on light volume, especially on a Thanksgiving week, I think there's a possibility that we could move a little bit higher. But I would be cautious here. I don't necessarily see this as an opportunity to get long. I really see it, especially in light volume, as possibly even a little bit of a trap here. I think the major trend is most likely to resume. I think that there's a lot of bearishness out there. Attention has been switched here really to South America. And right now, it's not perfect. It's not perfect in South America. We have situations where it was too dry in Brazil going into planting. Now we're getting excess moisture in some areas. It's not perfect, but it's not bad. And I think that with that situation, there's really not enough there to get a bullish rally going. So I'd be cautious, especially if we move higher here tomorrow or on Wednesday. I would be very skeptical of a rally here.
Right. And the other thing going on right now, more in corn and wheat, is the fact that we've got first notice day coming up on Friday. So we've got position rolling or liquidating of these contracts, which could potentially change some spreads and you know, get the markets a little volatile and thin trading.
Absolutely. And for those of you that do have December positions, make sure you take a look at it, and you're probably going to want to be out of those. Well, really, you have to be out of them by Wednesday at the close. So make sure that you're being proactive there. If you have any questions, call the office. The number is 877-472-4607. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Again, if you have any questions or if you want to take a demo and see those charts that I was talking about, visit us at grainhedge.com and take a 14-day free trial, no obligation. I look forward to hearing from you.